Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm shooting this fun video. I hope it turns out to be fun. It's spending 12 hours in the car challenge, and I have my two people with me. That is Serene and Disha. Since Mohit is shooting and Shru's in Dubai and AK is in Bhopal, so I have them with me, my brother and my friend, to help me out with this video because I don't want to be bored and I don't know how to drive. So spending 12 hours with them inside this car. Of course, I will take loo breaks, but that's gonna be obviously less than a minute. And the rest of the whole time I'm gonna be inside the car, and let's see how this goes. So my 12 hours starts now. It's in the morning, and I think the first thing we need in the morning, I think for this video especially, I think the first thing we need is coffee. Do you guys want coffee?
Yeah.
Vishak, do you want coffee? Vishak, we can't hear you. Okay, so the first thing we want is coffee, and I have a new coffee brand that I want to share with you guys, and I absolutely love the coffee. I'm going to tell you how to make it. So this coffee tastes so amazing, and I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. So the name of the coffee is Sleepy Owl. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's the name of the coffee. It's it's not an instant coffee, but it's an instant latte. So basically the coffee that we get at, the money that we spend at Cafe Coffee Day and Starbucks, you get the same coffee just by sitting in your house or your car. Remove the mask. Okay, that is Serene's pretty face. But so yeah, all about this coffee. It's like I said, it's a latte coffee. You don't need hi-fi equipment to make this coffee. All you need is a cup, hot water, hot milk, and that's it. I mean, that's how easy it is, and that you just make this coffee in like 5 to 7 minutes. And to get this coffee, you can use my discount code SK15, which I'm going to be putting up on the screen here as well as in my description box below. So basically this coffee is very easy to customize. In case you like a very strong coffee, you can brew it for a longer period of time. If you don't like it very strong, you can add a little more of extra milk to it. But yeah, it is amazing in its own way, and I want you guys to really try out this brand, this coffee brand. And I can't wait for Mohit to actually also try it, because he's at shoot right now, but when he comes home, I'm going to make him try this coffee, and I'm going to record his reaction too. So to make this coffee, I need first a hot cup of water, warm milk, some sugar. So I'll have to irritate Bishak to go get me this, please, because I can't get out of the car. And Bishak, will you please go get me hot water? Thank you. Serene, what are we doing after this?
We are going to eat. I'm hungry.
What are we gonna eat?
I don't know anything. Anything that comes under non-veg category.
Bird flu is not Serene.
I don't care. बस हो गया bird flu का भी.
Here comes Bishak. Thanks. Good. Spoon, sugar, and water. It's hot now. Yay! So make my coffee in the car. Wow.
Just be careful.
So they come in these small little pouches, and you just need to brew them. So you put them in, and you put the hot water. So depending on how strong you want the coffee, you brew it. This is hot. See what like this. gonna put a little sugar. So that's of course your thing, coffee, and you put in some milk. Milk, please. So depending on how strong you want your coffee, of course, you put the milk. I don't like my coffee that strong. I like a lot of milk in coffee. So here's my brewed cup of coffee, and I can't wait to actually make them taste it because I have, and it's amazing.
At least show your coffee.
How do I show the coffee? So here's my cup of coffee, and if you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna taste this coffee. I'm gonna see how it is. It's really hot, but it's delicious, and this coffee is amazing, and it literally woke me up right now, and I'm ready for this 12-hour adventure. You want to taste it? I think we need to put more sugar. Nice, no?
Nice coffee.
Taste, Risha. You can come the camera and taste. Nice, huh? So guys, I want you to really try out this coffee. It's called Sleepy Owl once again. And please do let me know. I'm going to put the discount code in the description box below. And yeah, please go try it and let me know how you like this coffee. And I'm going to go on my 12-hour adventure with my friends right now. I'm going to go on my 12-hour adventure with my friends right now. And let's see how this goes. Where are we going, Serene?
To eat.
To eat. What are we going to eat? We have to eat in the car. Whatever we eat. Can't get out.
I can. You cannot.
You can get out, yeah. I can't.
I'll get you chips and I'll have a pizza or something.
Chips.
Eat chips.
Lunch, I'll eat chips.
So what do you want to have?
I want to eat proper food. Like burgers or something.
Ah, so we can get McDonald's.
Yeah, let's go to McDonald's. Are you ready to be stuck with me in the car for 12 hours?
I think you should not learn how to drive.
Yeah. I want to learn how to drive,
But
if I learn and then where do I drive? I don't have a car here. My car is in Cali. And I'm not going to drive your car.
अब हम अटक चुके हैं.
Okay.
ट्रक के लिए मैंने जगह मोड़ दी थी. And I think इधर से right नहीं है.
आगे से.
You know the way?
No. अरे वीर, full time. We'll get out.
We'll get out मतलब? You cannot. I can.
मतलब I'm sitting in the car, so I'll get out.
Oh, just by the way, I have some meetings जहाँ पे मेरे को गाड़ी बेसमेंट में खड़ी करनी पड़ेगी. Then what will you do?
Huh? I'll have to sit in the car. You're not going anywhere today. Sorry, it's me.
Hey, you should do this challenge next time.
What? Sarene's giving me ideas for a new YouTube video. Tell me, what should I do?
Challenge like this only, 12 hours in the car, heading Goa, someplace, मतलब, you know, it will be a vacation vlog also. But we should go to Goa.
We should go somewhere.
Let's take left.
Let's take a left. Do you know
See?
you know this place?
Yeah, I know this place.
Proud of you. We're just doing inky pinky ponky and taking left and right. We have no idea where to go. What a nice building.
Right भी जा सकते थे.
Oh my god. Where are we going?
No idea.
We're lost. We're lost in like 15 minutes of getting out of the house. We're lost
Just because of one truck.
because of one truck. I'm hungry.
I haven't eaten सुबह से अभी तो पता है.
Why don't you guys eat food and breakfast, yaar?
पता नहीं मीटिंग से लेट हो जाए ना आदमी खाना वाना छोड़ के भागना पड़ता है फिर।
Finally got food. Oh my god, I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Very.
Let's find some place to park and eat, please. I'm dying. Yay. Let's start with Serene. Serene, what's your plan for Valentine's Day?
My Valentine Day plan is that I'll be third wheel.
Third wheeling me and Mohit.
Yes, third wheeling.
He is
you and
taking
Mohit.
AK's place.
AK is in Bhopal na.
Taking AK's place, third wheeling Mohit and me. So we'll probably be going for dinner. And we'll celebrate Valentine's Day together. Valentine's is not only for your boyfriend or your fiance or your husband. You can have it with friends too, na?
No, but that's sad.
Listen, you're coming with us for dinner. Okay, you're not alone, Serene.
But that's the only.
Any girls out there who's would be interested in Serene? He's a single bachelor that is eligible for marriage.
Marriage? Marriage?
Yeah, then what? So anybody out there, I'll be putting Serene's phone number. Please do comment if you like Serene, and we shall take it forward from there. And then we can all go for dinner together.
After this, now all the hopes are dying now.
We'll make a thing for you, na? Shaadi.com.
बहुत बढ़िया.
हाँ ना?
Let my mother watch first this video. उनका रिएक्शन आएगा सीधा.
Where are we parking to eat? So let's eat. Fries. Because of me, you guys also have to sit in the car and eat.
ठीक है, fine. तेरा वैलेंटाइन का क्या प्लान है अमीशा?
मेरे क्या प्लान होगा वैलेंटाइन?
अरे, that's the question of the day. We're gonna ask.
ब्लश कर रहा है, इसका प्लान है.
पूरा दिन आपके साथ ही बैठूंगा.
क्यों भाई? मत बैठ मेरे
Got
साथ.
Serene's Valentine. We found Serene's Valentine finally.
मत बैठ. कल तो बिल्कुल मत बैठ. मेरे को फोन तक मत करियो. कल मैं ऐसा करूंगा, मैं किसी भी लड़के का फोन आएगा मैं सारे कट करूंगा वो कॉल. मैं उठाऊंगा नहीं. हाँ.
I've never sat inside a car for so long. Oh my god, I'm in pains and aches. How do people drive like to Lonavala and Goa and all of that? Yes.
I
How?
I
My
took
God.
you guys to Lonavala.
Hey, is that a doggy or is that a soft toy? It's a dog. Oh my god, there's a dog in the car. It's so cute. Hey, so cute.
भैया एक बात बताओगे पहले, आपका कल का क्या प्लान है? कल वैलेंटाइन डे है.
मेरा क्या प्लान है?
कोई बीवी गर्लफ्रेंड तो है ना आपकी?
नहीं सर.
अरे झूठ मत बोलो यार. सही बताओ.
नहीं सर.
कोई नहीं.
वाइफ है.
वाइफ है तो वाइफ के साथ तो कहीं तो जाओगे. बताओ ना.
कहीं नहीं जाएगा.
कहीं नहीं. हम लोग स्कूल में
क्या?
सीनियर्स कैसे हेलमेट ले जाते थे, स्कूटी या बाइक पे जाना होता था, क्रिकेट से हेलमेट पहन लिया, बस दोस्त की स्कूटी उठाई और ले गए.
Look at all these couples. One day before Valentine's Day, सब ट्यूशन बंक, कॉलेज बंक करके यहाँ पे आते हैं. Go auntie! Go to the gym. Look at all them fitness freaks.
Hello, this is not my challenge. I can drop you home. Abhi I will go to gym.
Oh, TikTok. Hey, so I'm actually just shooting a YouTube video, and I just want to ask you guys, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Are you a couple?
Yeah,
Oh.
we are a couple, but then we've not made any plans yet.
Okay,
we do
so
not know if something's gonna happen tomorrow. We are meeting up today for this reason.
how sweet. All right, happy Valentine's Day. Have a great time. Bye. सर वैलेंटाइंस डे का क्या प्लान है? आपका क्या प्लान है? हाँ क्या? अच्छा बात कर रहा.
झूठ बोल रहे थे भैया. सब पकड़े गए.
So we actually asked a lot of people on the road about their Valentine's Day plans, but most of them, of course, did not want to answer us, nor did they want to come on the YouTube video, because, of course, 90% of them are bunking tuitions and, you know, lying at home, of course, to come meet their loved ones just
we
before
respect their privacy also.
Yeah, we of course. So I had to ask everybody before taking a video, and majority of them said no to taking a video. So of course we have to respect their privacy, and we did not take the video, and we hardly actually got people who want to answer us. But it was fun looking for people. We saw a lot of weird things and weird people on the road, and Hannah,
Yeah.
it was actually a lot of fun. And yeah, I think I don't know how to cut time right now, but we might go pick Mohit up from his shoot, because I have to sit in this car, and by default Sarina has to sit in the car with me, so we might go pick Mohit up, and then yeah, let's see how this goes. Thank you, Sareen. Thank you, Bishak.
No problem. After all, you're getting my car diesel.
Okay. Cut. ये कब बात हुआ था?
जी भाई पर बैठे बैठे.
Being home, I need to use the washroom, please. I'm dying.
Let's go.
Bye, Bishak. Fine, Bishak can get out of the car. Oh my god, I cannot.
फायदा क्या? ये गाड़ी से निकल के दूसरी में ही जा रहा है.
Bye, Bishak. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Vishal.
Bye. Let's go, Sareen. Washroom. So I'm finally home, and first I'm gonna go first thing and use the washroom, and I'll be back in 5 minutes. And
अरे मेरे को साइड में नहीं दिख रहा.
sorry. Oh god, I'm tired. Are you tired, Sareen?
Very.
Me too.
I'm going to sleep now.
I'm so no, you can't sleep. You have to come back with me in the car.
Take the key.
Take the key and bang your car somewhere.
Don't drive na. Just take the key. Sit in the car. Why do you want to drive?
I'm tired. See you again in 5 minutes. So guys, I got back from the washroom, and Mohit said that he's almost done shooting, so he had to rush out. Hence I've started this video while I'm on the way to pick him up. And yeah, this is the first time I'm actually going to pick Mohit up from his shoot location. I've been there before, but it's the first time I'm actually going to pick him up. Nah? First time you are also going, no?
First I'm gonna pick.
So yeah, let's see, because I'm trying to kill time. I have to be in this car so long. So I'm trying to kill time.
I'm also
and
bored with my car now.
Sareen selling his car. Anybody wants?
No.
Jokes. Yeah, so I'm gonna pick him up, and then yeah, let's see. Once I think by the time we come back, I think I should be done. But I don't know.
So by the time we reach there, you'll be done only.
I'll be done, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully.
12 hours, na?
Yeah. 12 hours.
You'll be done.
So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm tired already. I have a flight in the morning. I have to wake up at 2 o'clock. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but life is difficult, you know?
Very.
So guys, we're on this road called RA Colony, and the ones from Bombay would know where I'm going with this. And the ones from Bombay who are not from Bombay, who don't know about this road, this is it the most haunted road, or is it one of the most haunted?
One of them.
One of the most haunted roads in Bombay, where people don't actually, there's actually police on the road at like 2 in the morning, 2, 3 in the morning. They patrol on this road. There's animals here, no? Also
Cheetah.
cheetahs. They're like wild animals roaming around. It's like complete like two jungle areas on both sides, and it's just a road. So right now there are like, of course, a lot of people on the road, a lot of cars, so it's fine. But otherwise, I've actually also been on this road at 2 in the morning because some of my friends want to keep their birthday parties over here. So we've actually been here at 2, 3 in the morning, and it's very scary. We've asked our Uber drivers also for turn right. We've asked our Uber drivers also if they've experienced anything, and they have said that they have experienced like paranormal stuff on this road. I have not experienced anything, thank God. But yeah, this road is actually very, very scary. It's like always dark, and of course because it's like jungle areas on like both sides. But have you experienced anything on this road?
No, not personally.
No, not personally. But yeah, it's one of the most scariest and haunted places in Mumbai. You can Google it. It's actually on Google also, no? RA Colony. It's scary. So this is the road. This is how it looks. So right now there's like this thing on the side. Otherwise it's all jungle. Like if you see, it's all jungle area. And imagine being here at like 2 in the morning. It's very scary because there's not a soul on this road. And yeah, this is how it is. Finally we've picked Mohit up. Mohit, so dark. So we picked him up. Sareen,
Yeah.
he's been with I've tortured him all day today.
Please ask your fans to follow me.
Follow you?
Yeah.
Oh, please follow Mohit on Instagram. His ID is Mohit Hiranandani. Mohit _ Hiranandani 93. Please follow
I think
him
my
on
Instagram
Instagram.
it was a very, very tiring day at shoot.
I have to wake up at 2 o'clock for work. Would you? So
You have to put in what your thing. You can't listen. Sometimes listen to what the other person's
Okay.
story is. Na? So I have to wake up at 2 o'clock. I don't care. I do. But you had a good sleep today.
no.
Why? What you did? What did you do?
I've been shooting since morning. Finally, I have reached home, and my 12 hours are finally over. Sareen! Sareen is
Tired.
and irritated with me that I made him sit in this car for 12 hours with me, no? Finally, we did this. Yay! I'm gonna go home and sleep because I have to wake up now in like,
Side mirror. Side mirror.
oops. I have to wake up in like 1 or 2 hours now. So I'm gonna go sleep. And I'll see you guys. Happy Valentine's Day in advance. I love you. Please like, share and subscribe. And mwah, I love you guys. Bye.